In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Telegram stars step by step using the official Telegram bot so you can buy them safely and quickly. Telegram stars are useful for supporting creators, unlocking digital products, and making in-app purchases inside Telegram. So if you've been wondering how to purchase them the right way, this guide will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open either Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. You can use whichever one you already have access to, but make sure you're signed into the correct Telegram account before you continue. Once you're inside Telegram, go to the search bar at the top and search for the official Premium Bot. Type at Premium Bot exactly as shown, then open the official chat. This is important because you want to make sure you're using the real Telegram bot and not any fake or unofficial account. After the chat opens, you'll see the bot conversation window. Now type the /stars command and send it. This will bring up the Telegram stars purchase options. In some cases, the bot may show a menu or button that says buy Telegram stars. Click that option to continue. Once you do that, Telegram will show you the available plans. You'll usually see different amounts of stars with different prices, so take a moment to choose the plan that fits what you need. If you only want to test it out, you can start with a smaller package. If you plan to use stars more often, you may want to choose a larger bundle for better value. After selecting your plan, Telegram will take you to the payment screen. Here, review the amount carefully, confirm the payment method, and complete the purchase. Depending on your device and region, you may be asked to pay through a card, mobile payment option, or another supported checkout method. Once the payment goes through, your Telegram stars should be added to your account automatically. You can then use them right away for supported features inside Telegram. If something doesn't appear immediately, wait a moment and refresh the chat or check your balance again. And that's it. You now know how to get Telegram stars using the official Premium Bot. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look, and using the official bot helps keep the process safe and straightforward. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.